Trial generally is the culmination of years of work, and it is our job as your lawyer to condense that information into maybe a week's period of time for trial. So the organization and the preparation behind what seems to be a seamless performance is actually years of dedication and hard work. We sort through many discovery depositions, much evidence, much medical literature. We sort through it all, we organize it, and we prepare it, and we condense it to make a meaningful statement for the best results for our client. Over the course of my relationship and employment with Gail Lois, I've been to trial many times. Gail is called the lead trial person, and she cross-examines and examines the witnesses. My job is second chair. I'm there kind of as a coordinator. You may see a trial as a production. It's on a schedule. The judge is running his courtroom effectively and efficiently, and that means that someone needs to organize the witnesses. I can have my eyes on several areas of the courtroom while Gail can focus on doing her job of eliciting the testimony we need. A part of the job that I like that is both sad and motivating and interesting are the films called The Day in the Life. A Day in the Life is a film about an injured client that shows us their daily struggles. And I have had the opportunity to be involved in several Day in the Life films where we go to the house and we share the day with the family. We are there to answer any questions, to guide, and to support. The clients appreciate that care and concern and that individual attention in ways that are heartwarming and impressive. It is a wonderful gift that is shared with the clients.
There is nothing more thrilling and more satisfying when you have a client who is 5 years old, you know, a pediatric client, a young child who's been injured through no fault of their own, who's the person that I'm protecting, arguing for, and fighting for to receive a fair award so that I can guarantee for this child that they have the financial security, the medical care, and the environment for them to have the best life possible.